evening, you guys. Welcome to Journey with Char on this lovely Tuesday. I come to you today on a quick meal, y'all. Through the week, she's not cooking. I do some leftovers, but tonight, this is what was requested. We're having the chicken Gyoza Potstickers, chicken and vegetable dumplings, and I'm going to be steaming these tonight. And they're 10 grams of protein, which is really good. And it has 550 grams of sodium milligrams in the entire thing. It's 200 calories. This is the count for the nutrition facts. Okay, you guys? So we're going to put these in really quick. Let them steam. Yeah, I'm making this tonight. We're going to make the Kung Pao Chicken. And I'm going to be making this brown rice with green asparagus, zucchini, and dehydrated vegetables. This is the nutrition facts on this as well, if you're interested. So, let's get to cooking. Okay, you guys, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to double this recipe. Right now it is asking for 1 tablespoon of olive oil, so I'm going to do this twice. So that's 1 tablespoon, and this is the next tablespoon. Okay? You guys, look at the inside of that. Oh, it smells amazing. That's 1 tablespoon, 1, and then 2, 3. Then we're going to do it again. 1, 2. Y'all, it smells so wonderful. If you have not seen or tried these, let me get just a couple of zucchinis in there. Throw some extra zucchinis on down in there, child. Ooh-wee. We're going to see how much this renders, child. It says in the mixture of rice, vegetables, stir in for 1 minute. So we're going to stir this. It says add 1 cup of hot water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. All right, you guys. That is looking absolutely amazing, and I'm going to be using this salt, Himalayan pink salt. We're going to start off with the 1/4 that it asked, even though that's for 1 serving. We don't want this to be too salty. So we're going to start with 1/4, and it says to taste. And we'll see if we need to add any more sodium to this. We want to control the sodium. But it's beautiful rice. So it's coming to a boil. In the meantime, mommy is getting the salt ready. I am going to turn this down because it is at a rapid boil. Then we're going to cover it for 25 minutes. We need to know what the minutes are. I'm going to turn this down and cover it for 25 minutes like it says. Okay, next up is the Potstickers. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we're going to steam the Potstickers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this with water. Okay, you guys, so we're going to wait till this get boiling. This bad boy is boiling away. So I'm even going to turn him down even lower because he is just boiling away. So we're doing the Kung Pao Chicken, and I wanted to show you guys what all comes in this pan. So it does come with peanuts. It comes with the sauce here. It comes with another sauce, 2 sauces. It comes with vegetables. And it comes with the chicken. So we're about to get that ready. Okay, you guys, so we are to heat 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I don't have vegetable oil, so I'm using olive oil. And once that starts getting a little heated, we're going to add in the chicken. Okay, it's not sizzling yet, it's getting hot. So you guys stay tuned. Once it starts sizzling, I'm going to show you what all we need to do. So we're going to pour in the Potstickers. And you don't have to get chicken. They also have the vegetarian one, which is absolutely delicious. We absolutely love the vegetarian ones. So we're going to let these steam for about 10 minutes. And the Kung Pao Chicken, we're waiting for that to be sizzling. And we'll be done soon. Alright, you guys, we got some sizzle here. There we go. That's what we want to hear. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. But that's coming along. Alright? That's getting a beautiful crust. If y'all can see that, that's what I want, is that crust on there on the chicken. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to toss in the veggies. Alright. Get all those in there. So we want the vegetables until they get softened. The Potstickers are coming along pretty good. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to add the sauce now. That is 1. Let me stir this. They can be evenly coated. Alright, you guys, I believe these are done. Yeah. Alright you guys, so we're doing the veggies. This is Brussels sprouts and spinach. Okay you guys, so we have a quick, so that's the steam. Y'all see the steam. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And we have the Kung Pao chicken here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a sauce. So I'm using the low sodium. Put some low sodium. This is just for a little sauce. Okay. I'm putting a little bit of garlic. And then we have onion powder. A little bit of onion. And I love my parsley. Y'all know I love my parsley. We got red pepper flakes. Put some parsley in there. Have a little bit of honey.
Where are the pepper flakes?
And then we got some red pepper flakes. I'll put a few of these in here. It's still steaming. So what I'm going to do to this to break down the sodium, even though it's low sodium, it's still a little salty for my liking. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And this is just so we can have a little bit of dip. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. And we're going to see how that tastes. Better?
It's good.
Okay. Mommy says it's good. Okay, I'm going to pour this into the sauce cups. We have this. Let me show you what this looks like. Just right there. I'm just going to dip this because we haven't done it yet. I'm just going to show you what it looks like.
This?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. That is good. So that is the rice. Smells good and it's darker than what I expected. So that's the rice. That is the Kung Pao chicken. This is the chicken Potstickers. And this is the sauce that I made, which is absolutely delicious. And now we're just waiting for the veggies. And then it's bon appetit time. Alright you guys, so that is everything for this evening. That is the Kung Pao chicken. That is the chicken Potstickers. Our vegetables, this is spinach and Brussels sprouts. Sauce that I made. And the rice. And that's everything for this evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me showing you what dinner is tonight. This is from Trader Joe's, both of these items. This I got from Whole Foods, the rice. And this we just got from Trader Joe's as well. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. You guys be blessed and have a lovely week to come. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. If you've ever tried the Kung Pao chicken, let me know. Potstickers, let me know, what do you think? And these also come in vegetarian, not just in chicken. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Leave comments below. I love hearing from you. And you guys be blessed. Make sure you hit the bell, because every time I upload a new video, it will let you know that Journey with Char just uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bon appetit.